Tom Hanks put me down on it. And plus, he's like the best finesser in the world to me. I can't believe I honestly met him.
Oh my God, that's Young Thug.
Really?
That's Young Thug right there, yes.
Mafia sucks. Young Thug, you gotta stop surrounding yourself with like yes men and theater dorks.
Wait, what? That's Forrest Gump.
That's Gunna as well. Should we go over?
I'd love to show you.
Oh my God.
Like I said.
What are you talking about? That's Woody from Toy Story.
Hey guys, you mind if we join?
Sure.
Thank you. Dude, are you sick?
No, it's like weed cough.
So much phlegm. Unbelievable amount of phlegm in that cough.
You know, hey, bro, you was sick like 2 days ago.
Yeah, I was sick earlier this week, but I'm not contagious anymore.
How do you know if you're not contagious anymore? Like, how could you possibly deduce that?
Who knows when they are contagious?
Are you a doctor?
I'm not a doctor. I'm just implying neither. By the way, such a big fan. I am just a rapper as well, and I have so much stuff to do this week, and you would know, you can't record with a stuffed nose or a sore throat. I just, you know, it's a dream to be here, but I have to exit if you're sick. I'm such a big fan of both of you. And if you are sick, you shouldn't be...
Get out of here.
Okay, I'm just saying, let yourself heal. Don't smoke if you're sick.
Bye, Young Thug.
Yo, this nigga rap.
Kinda.
He can't be no rapper. Just like that.
What the fuck a rap?
Fuck. Fucking Young Thug.